mates, my name is Nico and a warm welcome to the sleeplay.com YouTube channel. Today we'll take a look at this new CPAP mask. It has some serious wow factor, the Fisher Paykel Solo. I call it the Han Solo because I'm a Star Wars fan. Now in my 20 years doing this gig as a sleep tech, CPAP consultant, YouTube rock star, there's been only a handful of times where I've picked up a CPAP mask and gone, wow, that's cool. Those words, wow and cool, just don't fit with CPAP gear in general. What are some other wow and cool moments? Philips Dreamwear, conduit frame, top of the head connection, revolutionary. ResMed's one-of-a-kind air touch cushion, the memory foam cushion, very cool. The bleeper clips, no headgear on that mask, unbelievable. And I think you can probably throw the AirFit F40 in amongst the mix. I do love that mask. But today it's all about the Solo, so let's check it out. So what made me go, wow? Well, it all comes down to this auto-fit headgear design. I'd never seen anything like it before and was 10 years in the making. You see, with most traditional mask adjustment systems, they consist of buckles, cumbersome clips, and noisy Velcro, which eventually wears and stops gripping the more you do the adjustments. But with the Solo, it has none of that. So you just pull it on over your head and one touch to lock into place. It's as easy as that. In many ways, it's similar to a seatbelt design. Now you pull it one way, it's loose, pull it the other way, it gets a bit tighter, and then when you release the tension, it sort of auto locks into place. Same with the Solo. So maybe that was the inspiration. I don't know. Actually, imagine that. F&P guy hops into his car, goes, well, that was easy. New CPAP mask, here we come. But you pull it this way, it's loose. And then as it goes the other way, it gets a bit tighter. So you release the tension, it gets a bit tighter. And then you push in a little bit, locks into place. That's the auto lock. You want to push it in this side, locks into place, a bit tighter on this side. And the way it works, on either side of the frame here, you have a filament that actually passes through this intricate section at the front here. It's a beautiful design. And the filament passes through a carbon fiber. You can think of it like a little switch. And when the switch is this way, no tension. When the switch is this way, locks into place. Difficult to show you, but trust me, very cool. Now, one thing about carbon fiber, very, very strong, isn't it? And one of the things about CPAP masks, especially with the Velcro and the clips, the Velcro, eventually it stops sticking. The clips, one of the most common replacement parts on CPAP masks, the clips, eventually they just break. So you're always replacing stuff. With this headgear here, look, eventually the material is going to wear, nature of the beast, but because you don't have any clips, no Velcro, the longevity is much better. And another highlight is just how easy this mask is to disassemble, clean, and reassemble. There's only 3 parts. Check it out. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. That's it. So once again, those of you with your arthritis, your dexterity, this is a mask that's just really easy. That's it. It is just easy. Now, when it comes to sizing, the headgear is one size fits all. So you don't need to worry about that. The auto fit fits everyone. The cushions come in small, wide, medium, and large. And you can buy this mask with just one cushion, either of those sizes, or you can buy it in a fit pack. You guys know how much I love a fit pack. And the fit pack includes your small, your medium, and your large cushion. This is it here. Look at it. Oh, the fit pack. Get yourself a fit pack. So unless you need the wide cushion, buy the mask just with the wide cushion. That's your only option. If you need a small, a medium, or a large, just get in the fit pack. You get the extra cushions. You can try it out. Now, for those of you that don't know, I also run the YouTube channel CPAP Reviews, where I review CPAP. Very exciting stuff. And I scored this mask an 8 out of 10, and I think that's spot on. From the customer feedback I've received, the surveys I've done, it's an 8 out of 10 mask, which is very, very good. They did lose a couple of points. and I'll explain why. No mask is perfect. Number one, the exhalation port here on the front, the holes. There's no diffuser. I would love to see an upgrade of this mask with a diffuser to gently diffuse the air flowing through that port to make it a little quieter. And number two, and perhaps this is a little bit harsh, but I docked them a point because they didn't include the wide in the fit pack. Just include the wide, guys, and then you can just get this mask, give it to a customer, and away you go. And I don't have to explain, hey, if you get this, it doesn't include that. If you get that, it includes that. There it is, fit pack. See you later. Bob's your uncle. Happy days. Now, if you do want to try out the Solo, and I highly recommend you do, then check out sleeplay.com. They have a 30-day mask exchange program. Very good. $99 free shipping. So you'll get free shipping with this bad boy. FSA, HSA eligible. So if you have one of those, what is it? Tax-free healthcare cards. I don't know what it is over there in the US, guys. You know what it is better than I do. Then you can use your tax-free dollars on the Solo. And number four, they have an extremely generous rewards program where you earn $10 for every $100 you spend, and then you can cash that in, money in the piggy bank, the next time you need a cushion, okay? $10 off. What will you get with this mask? Currently, I think it's around $120, but they always run promotions over at Sleeplay. That's one thing I've noticed. So what is it now? Ooh, 4th of July coming up. Head on over, guys, and away you go. I think you get like 20%, 25% off. Anyway, until next time, sleep well, look after your mates, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.